Enterprise Linux for third-party Linux. It's a mouthful, but what it is the capability to be able to move more unsupported Linux distributions, particularly CentOS, and move it into a supported model migrating it directly to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 latest version. That capability is available today because, importantly, changes in the life cycle of CentOS has changed how it works for customers. It's no longer a post-upstream Linux distribution. It's actually moved to be more upstream. And because of that, CentOS 7 is the last version of that CentOS operating system. And it's moving towards what we call CentOS Streams. As I say, that's upstream, so it doesn't have the level of hardening and support structures around it that you would have thought inherent when utilizing CentOS in the past. Many customers felt very uncomfortable with our messaging around those changes that are taking place. We're not leaving you behind. We're actually very happy to offer you very low-cost subscriptions to get Enterprise Linux support, and in fact migrate those CentOS instances that are running today, if you need to, up into a RHEL version 7. But you need to work with us to be able to do that. And I'll quickly just talk about it in a second. But importantly, the support does end in June of 2024. That's soon. We're talking about a 6-month window to prepare. We have got tooling in place to make that an easy process for you. But to be able to do it effectively, please reach out to Red Hat, reach out to your account teams at Red Hat or your solutions architects like myself, and talk through the challenges you might see today to be able to plan, being able to navigate the challenges that are coming forward in June. So ultimately, there is an offering to give support directly from AWS. I did list it in our flavors of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. It's listed with that massive mouthful. So what Dominic did was very kindly create a QR with a lovely little dino in the middle, which is available for you to be able to get to that link if you take a quick image of the QR here now. We will make slides available later though, obviously. And above is a box just giving you an illustration of the process steps you would need to go through. So on your CentOS today, you have no support, no enterprise support whatsoever. To get support for it, you would purchase what we call our third-party Linux migration piece from the marketplace. That then gives you the ability to download from Red Hat some critical packages which you would download onto your CentOS, and then you would use those tools, one of them called Convert to RHEL package itself, to then migrate your elements. It's a fully managed process. Once you start it, it will call out warnings for you, will give you instructions. And actually, we are at the moment doing a tech preview of integrating that technology into our insight management piece as well to make it more effective. So please talk to us if you have any concerns about the need to migrate off CentOS and move to an enterprise operating system. We're more than happy to help, and it should be easy for you to do.